Hey, what's up? This is going to be the official installation instructions for the Sugarfoot Clutch Pedal Brace. I've got a Civic 8th generation clutch pedal assembly here, as well as a Accord and TSX style. They're both basically identical except for that. The bottoms mount slightly different. You have tabs or you don't have tabs, but the brace is the same. Installation is going to be the same, so let's just get into it. The first thing you're going to want to do, I recommend take these off, count your threads before you do, just to make it easy to go back on. You don't have to take it off, but you're going to bend this tab over slightly with a hammer, and I don't know how good it is to beat on that with your sensors in there. Either way, you're going to come in from the side and just hinge this around, and you should have enough room to miss this lip. So again, you have to swing it around like this and then get it up over. Now, this one is really sort of a loose fit on here, but it might be tighter on others, right? On the 8th gen, for instance. Let's see what the difference is. Quite a bit tighter. It doesn't mean it doesn't fit, it just means you need to work it in. There's going to be a hang up point here where the spring sticks out. You just need to get this over that. You're going to keep moving it down. Okay? If it's really, really tight, then you think it's not going to fit. Here's how I do it. Let me get one that's really, really tight. See, like, it fits really good. Let me get this off of here and I'll show you the next one. So I know that this one fits extra tight. I made it to do this. But even if it's really, really tight, get over that spring and keep pushing it back down flat. And then what you want to do is evenly push it both ways. Make sure it goes back down. You just keep working it down until this hole lines up. Okay? A little more. That looks good. Once you get that hole lined up, it should be really tight. Like through here, it's very tight. Right here, it's very tight. If yours fits a little bit loose on your pedal, the next step for everyone really is going to be to take your hammer and smack this down. But before you do, take this bolt this is going to simulate that CMC rod, threaded rod, but this is going to pull it down tight so that you can bend that tab over and this thing will stay exactly where it should be, super tight, 3 points of contact all the way around. You see? This should be nice and tight. Pulls. There's intentionally going to be a gap there before you tighten it down, right? And when you tighten it down, it's going to pull here and it's going to pull here. So what you want to do, once you have that tight, is just make sure this is flat, seated as far down as it can go, and then just give it a little love here. Wham, wham. Now I don't want to bend this one because I need to be able to take this back off, you know, so that I can test fit the ones that I produce. But that's how you do it. If it's hard to put on, it'll fit. You just need to manhandle it. The idea is to squeeze this entire thing as much as possible. I hope this helps. Thanks for the support, and yeah, let me know, you know, what you think.